Hello everyone, let's draft this Hermes Empire together. So here I've gotten our plain paper and I've drawn our straight line. The next thing we're going to do is to take some measurements. From here down here is 7 centimeter. Then from the tip here down here is 17.5 centimeter. Okay, so here to here 7 centimeter, from here to here 17.5. So now we will measure from this 7 centimeter downwards a bit, 2 centimeter, just from here to somewhere here, 2 centimeter. Okay, so now keep the tape straight and make a mark of 4 centimeter by the side. Okay, here to here, then from here this place down here is 4 centimeter. But first we are going to make our tongue width, which is half of 1 centimeter here. So after making this end, we draw a straight line to connect the 2 dots we just made now. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to curve out this place from here, curve it inward somehow like this and meet this place. Okay, so do this gradually following the design how it's seen on the screen. So we should have something like this. Okay, make it as curvy as possible. Okay, so this is what we have. The first this thing is done. So we're going to take a measurement from that 2 centimeter we made earlier downwards again, 3.5 centimeter. Okay, then keep our tape straight and make a mark that's 5 centimeter. Okay, this is our 5 centimeter here. So we're going to continue this place all the way down to meet the new point we just made. All right, so now the next thing we're going to do is from this end where our 17.5 centimeter stops, we go in by 1.5 centimeter. Then after this 1.5 centimeter, keep the tape straight and take a measurement of 4 centimeter. Try and make it as straight as possible. That's 4 centimeter here. Okay, so from here now we will be drawing a straight line. That's this place. Just keep the ruler straight and draw a straight line here. Okay, so now all we have to do is to curve this to this. Just the curving should come from here to meet with the new mark we made, this 4 centimeter somewhere here. So this is what we do here. Okay, it's not difficult. We are almost done with this pattern. So here we curve it out this way. Then all we have to do now is to add our lasting strap like this. Okay, so we will just use our ruler like this and draw a straight line. We already have a guide, which is the curves here, so don't make it go straight, it should be slanted. So just keep your ruler a bit slanted like I am doing and draw a straight line. Okay, so then the next one is just this way. Okay, try and make it as straight and even as possible. Okay, so here I will draw the second line from the first lap. Okay, so we should be having something like this now. So the measurement is I think it's 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so now what we do here now after this is to fold this pattern into 2 and cut it. So make sure that every line, every curves is all straight and you are comfortable with what you've got. So when you are done, all we have to do is to fold it into two, then we'll get the toe side of it after that. So now we will fold this and cut it into shape. Okay, so here I've cut this into shape. So this pattern, the toe side of it is smaller. Okay, so here to here is 2 centimeter. We'll place our tape also there and reduce this side. If you remember, we measured 4 centimeter before, so this is 3.5 centimeter now. So we'll be covering this out like this. Okay, this is the toe side of it. So that's the big toe, sorry. So we will just cover it out to reduce it. That's what we are doing. So we have the big toe side and the small toes side. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and curve it out like so. Okay, so now this is what we should be having. Okay, if you can still adjust it a little more. Okay, so while cutting, we'll be flipping it this way to cut left and right. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use this pattern to cut my leaders, then we will attach our fancies and all that. All right, so here I've cut my leader with our pattern. This is what we have here. Okay, so now I'll be using this fancy. I couldn't get the exact on the pattern itself, so we'll be using this. So you can use any fancy or applique that connects like so. Okay, then attach a leader, a straight leader to it. My leader is just 1 centimeter and I folded it, so I'll attach it and sew it first before lining it. Okay, so here I have sewn it into place, as you can see. So I'll go ahead, line it and sew it all round now. So everything is now sewn, and then I'll go ahead and put the tongue pipe. The tongue pipe measures 2.5 centimeter because this is for ladies. Okay, if it's the male, you can increase it. So I'll use this double sew to last my footwear. Okay, don't forget you have the right and the left for this pattern. So here I've coupled my footwear and this is what it looks like. Okay, so go ahead and try this pattern. It's so lovely. You can use any applique in the front to make it fanciful and any color of leather. And I hope you do enjoy this tutorial. If you do, go ahead and make yours. Comment if you have any question for me. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my next class. Bye.